At Automation Solutions, we bring your automation vision to life before it ever reaches the production floor. With advanced 3D renderings, you can see your robotic cell in full detail, how it moves, operates, and integrates into your facility. This gives you confidence in the design, ensuring a seamless transition from concept to reality. And when it's time to go live, there are no surprises, just precision-engineered automation, built to perform. Our 3D models transform into reality. With Automation Solutions, what you see is exactly what you get. Innovation designed for efficiency, reliability, and success on your plant floor. Ready to bring your automation vision to life? Visit our website, send us a message, or comment below to see how we can help. Automation Solutions. Your productivity is our passion.